Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My June 2023 Love from Lizi card kit just arrived and it's so much fun. The theme is summer loving. If you are interested in the kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's blue, white, yellow, a bright pink, and a bright green. There are 2 12 by 12 sheets of cut-aparts, although they have been cut in half simply to fit inside the box. One sheet has lots of fun border designs, and on the back side is green and white polka dot. The other sheet has some 3 by 4 cut-apart images and sentiments, and on the back side there's lots of summertime sentiments. For pattern paper this month, there are 9 6 by 6 sheets, and these are double-sided. The first design has colorful beach balls. On the back side, there's a blue wave design, so the two really do work well together. Then we have flip-flops with a blue gingham on the back side, some florals with a lovely red and pink stripe design. I love the cherries. On the back side, it has red and white graph. Here's lots of kids in swimsuits, a rainbow stripe on the back side. We have some dandelions with a grass tone-on-tone pattern, colorful ice cream cones, and some diagonal stripes. The lemon pattern is another favorite. We have tone-on-tone yellow polka dots on the back side. Then the final sheet is more florals with a pink tone-on-tone polka dot. The next item is more pattern paper. This time it's single-sided, and all of it is a solid color. There are a total of 24 sheets, and Lizi's included a nice rainbow of colors. There are some pretty pastels, nice bright colors, even some neutrals. These are perfect to use with the dies in the kit, or you could use them for layering the pattern paper. When working with busy pattern paper, it's always nice to bring in some solid colors. And with such a large variety of colors, you'll definitely find plenty to work with the pattern paper in the kit. The next item is the stamp set. Lots of great sentiments. We also have a fun star border, some flip-flops in solid and outline. My favorite sentiment on the whole set is Hello Sweet Summer. The peel-offs this month are blue mirror in the straight design. If you haven't used this straight style before, they're all the same width, and it's about 1/8 of an inch wide. The next item is a sheet of shaker stickers. They have a little bit of dimension to them, and all the cute images are filled with some fun holographic shaker bits. The colors and images on the stickers coordinate with the pattern paper. Next, we have a bag stuffed full of letter Scrabble tiles. I believe Lizi said there are about 200 pieces, so you'll be able to create your own sentiments, and they're fun, bright colors. The kit also includes 8 rolls of washi tape, and there's a fun variety of widths. The first one is orange polka dots. Next, we have a beautiful floral design. The pink one has some fun summer sentiments. Then we have a rainbow of ice cream cones on light pink. Here's a fun design with lots of different flip-flops. I'll open it up so you can get a better idea what this one looks like. Look at all those fun colors. The next one is the widest width, and it has all the kids in swimsuits. I was excited when I saw the cherry design. And then the final roll is a fun, colorful rainbow stripe. Lizi's also included a sheet of black foam squares. They're not super thick, so they'll add just that right amount of dimension to your card. For embellishments this month, Lizi's included 7 different colors of gem stickers, and they're all the nice small size. We have a rainbow of colors, including pink, red, orange, yellow, green. There's a light blue and purple. And I believe each sheet contains either 14 or 16 gem stickers. There are 3 dies included. We have an adorable little cactus, There's a fun sunshine and a birthday cupcake with the sentiment, "Make a wish." The final item that's included is a pack of sentiment ephemera pieces. I'll pull it out of the pack and give you a quick idea of what they look like. I love that many of them have this beautiful holographic foil finish on it. There's also a nice variety of sentiments. We have thanks, thinking of you, hello. There's also several sentiments that work well for summery cards. This one's hello summer. Here's an adorable one with strawberries, best summer ever, summer vibes, dream big. I won't go through every single piece right here, but I have laid them all out on my craft table so you can get an idea of everything that's included. I really like the fun variety, and the silver holographic foil is so sparkly. Here you can see the fun variety of ephemera sentiments that are included in the kit. If you really like the pattern paper, ephemera, and cut apart pieces that are included in the kit, Lizi does have a summer loving add-on bundle available, and it also includes peel-offs and 2 sheets of silver mirror cardstock. And I will have a link for the add-on bundle in the description box below. I did receive a few add-ons. I have the 2 peel-off bundle packs. The set on the left is all pinstripe. There's orange, yellow, brown, and white. The set on the right is the variety bundle. It includes olive green mirror in pinstripe, lemon glitter in straight, blue in pinstripe, and green mirror in sway. I love Lizi's peel-offs, and her bundle packs are always a really good price. The next add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets. They're white on the back, and the front has a beautiful shimmery finish. It includes light purple, light blue, blue, white, light pink, and orange. The final add-on I received is a big one. This is Lizi's special edition Christmas in June kit, and it is packed full with product. This is not part of the monthly subscription and can be purchased individually. So let me open it up and show you everything that's included. There are 4 sheets of pearlescent cardstock. These are also single-sided, really fun, bright colors. We have red, gold, blue, and green. The pearlescent cardstock is 8.5 by 11 inches in size. The pattern paper that's included in the kit is A4 size. So it's a bit longer than American standard letter size paper and slightly narrower. There is a ton of pattern paper included, and there are 2 sheets of each. So you'll be able to make quite a few Christmas cards using this kit. I believe I counted a total of 32 sheets of pattern paper. Several of the designs do have the lovely gold foil accent on them. Here's a sheet with lots of Christmas sentiments, and you could trim some of those out. We have a lovely plaid, some holly on dark blue, and we have holly on more of a distressed background. There's sort of a candy cane looking design, more of the Christmas sentiments, and the final 2 sheets have what look like small postage stamps. The pattern papers have a very traditional Christmas look to them, but I love the addition of the dark blue. The kit also includes 8 sheets of decoupage. These are always fun to use. Each sheet is numbered, so you know how to layer them. You can add just a couple of layers, or you can add all of them and create some really fun dimension. And each sheet also has a sentiment or some other extras. The decoupage sheets have a beautiful glitter finish, and it's all sealed, so you don't have to worry about any of that glitter making a mess. I love all the different critter images included on the decoupage sheets, but the birds are my favorite. This very last design is so fun with those sweet birds. Next up, we have 12 sheets of vellum sentiments. Half of them, the sentiments, are beautiful gold foiling. The other half are printed with black. And there's a really fun variety of sentiments. I'll go through them fairly quickly since there are so many included. These will work really well with the pattern paper. You do have to be a little more creative when using vellum since you don't want the adhesive showing through. Next are 2 sheets of cut apart images and sentiments. Let me just pull them out of the package so you can get a better look. Both sheets are the same, and it's hard to see on the video, but around each of the images and sentiments are some small punched out holes. So if you cut it carefully, you can make it look like the edge of a postage stamp. Or if you don't like that look, you could always cut it closer so you don't end up with that postage edge. There are 2 stamp sets included. The first is a large Santa image. If you love to color, this would be the perfect image, although it would also look nice heat embossed. The second stamp set has a couple of small stamp images, a few little postmarks, and some border designs that would add fun detail to your card. Because of all the decoupage sheets, Lizi's also included a sheet of small square foam dimension. This is one of my favorite items in the kit, a sheet of holographic holly stickers. There are 2 different layers to the sticker. The very center is attached and the ends of the leaves lift up so you can have that look of dimension, but they will lay flat if you're mailing them. There are 6 different ribbons included, and you'll receive 1 meter of each design. And to go along with the ribbons, there are matching pre-tied bows. Get these out of the bag. You'll receive 2 bows for each ribbon design, so a total of 12 bows. It's always nice to have a pre-tied bow, that way I don't have to try to do it myself. Lizi's also included 1 die in the kit. It has the sentiment Santa Claus with a snowflake on the end. I've gone ahead and cut it out from some gold satin mirror cardstock. This is a large die. I'll hold it up to an A2 size card base so you can see that it still works nicely vertically or horizontally. There are 2 more items included in the kit. Lizi's added an entire bottle of her golden crown embossing powder and also a small Versamark ink pad. That way if you don't want to color any of the stamped images, you can heat emboss them instead. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's June 2023 card kit called Summer Loving, and also her Christmas in June special edition kit. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. Both of the card kits have limited quantities, so if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. The June Summer Loving kit is part of Love from Lizi's monthly subscription. Sometimes her kits sell out very quickly. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And I do have subscription information provided in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing videos using both of the card kits and the add-ons I showed in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.